if you get a spreadsheet like this, and what you want to figure out is where are the numbers, where are the formulas, and you don't want to have to go and click on each one. What you can do, so the first thing we do is we do recommend you highlight an area, and then under Home, find and select, go to Special. You've got a few options here. So the first thing we're going to ask for is to please see all the constants, and you'll see if you choose constants, it wants to know, do you want to see constants that are numbers or text or logical or errors? So I'm not really interested in the text. It would bring up year 1, 2, etc. So I'm just going to switch those off. And when I say OK, you'll see it highlights anything that's text. Now, if you click on anything, that will disappear. So we recommend you add a color. So we're going to make it a light blue. So immediately you can see there's the inputs. Just strange that that's an input there. Just for completeness sake, highlight the same thing again. Home, find and select, go to Special. I now want to see anything that's a formula. So a formula means anything that's got an equal sign in front of it. And in this case, I want all of them, anything that's actually there. When I say OK, you'll see it does the inverse. And for now, I'm just going to make it a light color. And now it's very easy to see where the inputs are. So this looks well made, except for this one here. So here we've got a summing function, and then here for some reason it turns into a number. So that's a hard-coded number where a formula has been overwritten.